Dreaming of a kitchen, dream interpretations. Hello and welcome to Dream Interpretations. Today we explore the rich symbolism of kitchens in our dreams. The kitchen is the heart of the home, a space where raw ingredients are transformed into nourishment. Psychologically, it represents a place of inner transformation, where we process our emotions, experiences, and raw potential into something sustaining and meaningful. In dreams, a kitchen often reflects your current state of emotional and spiritual well-being, your capacity to nurture yourself and others, and the creative energy you bring to daily life. A clean, orderly kitchen suggests clarity and balance. You are handling life's challenges with ease and are in tune with your needs. A messy, cluttered kitchen may indicate emotional overwhelm, unresolved issues, or a need to declutter your mind and prioritize self-care. Cooking or preparing food in the dream symbolizes the act of creation and personal growth. You are actively working on something important, perhaps a project, a relationship, or your own healing. The type of food matters. Nourishing foods like vegetables or soups point to healthy self-care, while burnt or spoiled food warns of neglect or toxic patterns. The state of the stove or oven is equally telling. A functioning stove suggests you have the energy and motivation to pursue your goals, while a broken stove may signal feelings of powerlessness or creative block. The refrigerator or pantry represents your stored resources, both emotional and physical. A full, organized pantry indicates abundance and preparedness, while an empty one hints at scarcity mindset or fear of lacking. Spiritual interpretations view the kitchen as a sacred space for alchemy, transforming the mundane into the divine. It is where you cook your life lessons, digest experiences, and integrate wisdom. Dreaming of a kitchen can also call you to reconnect with your roots, family traditions, or the simple act of feeding your soul. If you find yourself cleaning the kitchen, it may be a message to cleanse your mind of negative thoughts or old habits. If you are eating alone, consider your relationship with solitude and self-nurturing. Eating with others reflects community, sharing, and connection. Pay attention to the atmosphere. Warm and inviting kitchens suggest comfort and security, while cold or dark kitchens may point to emotional isolation or unprocessed grief. Ultimately, the kitchen dream invites you to ask, what am I preparing in my life? Am I feeding myself with love, or am I starving for something deeper? Take this dream as a gentle reminder to nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Thank you for joining me today. If this interpretation resonated, please like and subscribe for more insights. Sweet dreams.